Hello everyone. We have won dozens of smartwatches and fitness trackers over the course of workdays, workouts, vacations, and the rest of everyday life to see which one best track your activity. To relay your phone notifications, give you access to apps, and do everything else that lets you keep your phone in your pocket. In this video, we are going to review this new Fiypo FY16 Plus. On the rear, mentioned some of the features. Now let's open it. We have user's manual, magnet charging as usual. If we talk about smartwatch, it's a rectangular screen that's curved at the corners. The chin is slightly thicker than the bezels around the rest of the screen. Here the casing of the watch is alloy with a plastic body and has a reflective finish that looks quite nice. Now let's peel out this and turn on the watch. On the right side is a single physical button that controls the power and standby, and is also used to go back when navigating through the watch interface. On the left side there is a speaker. There are many color variants of the FY16 Plus, which is vary according to price. This wearable is compatible with standard 22mm watch straps. The bottom of the watch has sensors to detect heart rate and O2 levels. IP67 water resistance means that I could wear it all the time and I did not need to worry about getting it wet. I found the watch very comfortable to wear over the long period of time. FY16 Plus is among the most affordable devices of its kind to come with a Siri control and sleep tracker for Android and iOS, priced at just only 2400 rupees. The FY Plus has a 240 by 288 pixel resolution with a 1.69-inch screen with a refresh rate of 30 fps and rated peak brightness of 650 nits. Indeed, the screen is considerably sharper than those on any other budget smartwatches I have reviewed recently. Text, animations, and watch faces look sharp and detailed. The device weighs 40 grams with a strap, has a 200 mAh battery, and uses Bluetooth 5 for connectivity. If you swipe up, you can see your messages. If you swipe down, we have a quick access buttons, which can add or remove with the help of edit button. If you swipe from the left, shows again the quick icons plus Bluetooth call support Siri function. When you swipe here, you can add up to 6 components to track your activity with the help of plus sign. To remove the component, just tap and hold on any component face just like this. So to download the watch app, just go here and scan. Click the link. After downloading the application, you can monitor your daily activity in depth. On the status, you can have your quick overview of your goals. You can tap here and check individually as well. Now in the moment, you can choose your exercise type and click go to track. In the setting, you have auto pause, voice control, and keep screen on options. Now here in equipment, you can use the dial marker to download new 50 plus watch faces and select which notifications you want to receive from on the watch. Among other things, you can modify watch faces here, select what you want to display in the screen, and set custom image from your phone gallery. Set your incoming call, app notification reminder, clock, and many more, but keep in mind, it will greatly reduce battery life as many as you can keep on tracking. Battery life on the FY16 Plus is very good. With normal use, the device lasts for me around 8 days on single charge, and charging the device was convenient and fairly quick as well. Heart rate and auto tracking on this watch are recent enough, offering accurate measurements when compared to a standard pulse oximeter. The FY16 Plus did occasionally show oddly low reading, but this usually fixed itself in a few seconds. On the whole, the app is clean, easy to use, and gets the job done. The build is decent enough for the entry-level price range, and I'm happy to report that the FY16 Plus held up nicely in my day-to-day usage while serving the occasional dink and bump without getting scared up. The onboard vibration motor offers a soft and strong signals, and I found the former to be good enough for my daily use. The FY16 Plus is not the most advanced or best looking option, but it is among the better options you can buy best smartwatch under 3000 rupees. Furthermore, The excellent display and reliable connection with a smartphone makes this decent to reach top second screen for your notifications. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.